Have you ever looked at your insurance premium receipt and felt that deep sense of frustration, knowing that if you live a long, healthy life, which we all hope for, all those premiums simply vanish into thin air? What if I told you that smart families have discovered a way to make every premium payment work twice as hard? Not just protecting their loved ones, but building lasting wealth that grows whether they need the insurance or not. Today I'm going to show you a comparison that might transform how you think about securing your family's future. Hi, I'm Jiten Modi, and in my 2 decades as a personal finance strategist, I've witnessed both the joy of families who made the right choice and the regret of those who didn't know there was a better way. But what truly breaks my heart is seeing hardworking people locked into traditional insurance plans simply because no one showed them the smarter path. Today that changes. Let me share a story that perfectly illustrates the power of choice. Meet 2 brothers, Rajesh and Suresh, both successful professionals with young children and similar incomes. 5 years ago, they sat in my office, determined to secure their family's futures. They had the same starting point but made different choices that led to dramatically different outcomes. Rajesh chose the traditional path. I want the most affordable option, he said, opting for a Rs 10,000 monthly premium for Rs 1 crore coverage. He'll pay for 30 years, totaling Rs 36 lakhs. If he lives a long life, which we hope, all that money disappears without a trace. Suresh chose Sippy Shield. I'll stretch a bit more now for freedom later, he decided, committing Rs 15,000 monthly, but only for 7 years. Total payment, Rs 12.6 lakhs. Today, he has the same Rs 1 crore protection plus a growing investment corpus of Rs 32 lakhs that keeps multiplying year after year. Think about that difference. Rajesh is still paying premiums that vanish every month. Meanwhile, Suresh is almost done with payments, has the same protection, and is watching his wealth grow steadily. It's like one brother is forever paying rent, while the other is building a house that generates rental income. Let me break down why this difference matters through 4 powerful lenses. The premium burden. Traditional insurance is like being on a financial treadmill that never stops. You keep running, paying premiums into your 60s and 70s, exactly when your income might be reducing. Imagine still paying premiums during retirement when you should be enjoying the fruits of your labor. Safe Shield is different. Yes, the initial payments are slightly higher, like the down payment on a house. But after just 7 years, you're done. Forever. Your protection continues, but your payments stop. It's like owning a home outright instead of paying rent forever. The return reality. This is where traditional insurance breaks my heart. If you live a long, healthy life, our deepest wish for everyone, decades of premiums, potentially millions of rupees, simply evaporate. It's like throwing money into a black hole and hoping you never need to see what's inside. With SIP Shield, every rupee works double duty. Your family gets the same protection, but your money grows whether you need to claim insurance or not. It's like planting a tree that provides both shade, protection, and fruit, wealth, and the fruit keeps growing year after year. Let me share another story that brings this to life. Meet Priya, a mother of 2 young girls. She was initially hesitant about Sippy Shield's higher monthly payment. But then I realized, she says, with traditional insurance, I was leaving my children either a large sum if something happened to me, or nothing if I lived. With SIP Shield, I'm building them a legacy either way. Today, her investment corpus is funding her daughter's medical education. Something her traditional policy could never have done while she's alive to see it. The freedom factor. This might be the most powerful difference. Traditional insurance chains you to premium payments for decades. But with SIP Shield, after just 7 years, something magical happens. Your investment corpus grows strong enough to handle all future premium payments automatically. It's like having a money tree that waters itself and keeps growing. Think about what this freedom means. No more premiums during retirement. A growing wealth corpus for emergencies or opportunities. A legacy that multiplies for your children. Peace of mind. Knowing your family gets both protection and prosperity. But here's what keeps me up at night. Seeing families stick with traditional insurance simply because it's familiar. The cost isn't just financial. It's the dreams your children might have to defer. The opportunities they might miss. The legacy you could have built, but didn't. Through the link in the description below, you can book a free clarity session with me. Together, We'll analyze your current insurance and show you exactly how to transform it from a disappearing expense into a powerful wealth building machine. Remember, this isn't just about choosing between two types of insurance. It's about choosing between just protecting your family's future and actively building it. Let's make that choice together.